Let me ask you something. When your phone battery runs low, what do you do? You look for a charger. But when your body feels tired, your mind feels dull, and the energy feels drawn, what do you do? What do you recharge it with? Most people reach out for coffee, supplements, or quick fixes. But nature has already given us the most powerful energy flowing endlessly all around that. Can you guess what it is? Yes, you are right. It's sunlight. Your body is not broken, it's intelligent. It knows how to heal when it is aligned with nature. Modern science called this circadian rhythm, and ancient science called it living in harmony with the sun. When early morning sunlight enters your eyes and touches your skin, the brain receives a signal. It's safe. It's time to wake up. It's time to heal. This signal resets harmony within your body, improves metabolism, and calms the nervous system. Sunlight also boosts vitamin D synthesis, which strengthens bones, supports immunity, and improves your mood besides regulating your blood sugar. That's why sunlight exposure often leads to healing, fatigue, dullness, and improves your health. Gently opens your skin pores and it improves your blood circulation, supports natural detox pathways and lymphatic flow in throughout your body. The body releases stagnation and detoxifies naturally. Sunlight also has natural germ killing properties. That's why our ancestors used sunlight to purify water and to keep homes healthy. At a deeper level, sunlight recharges our cells. It improves mitochondrial function, the energy centers of your cells. When mitochondria work better, cells repair faster, new tissues are formed, and energy increases. Ancient yogis called the sun prana ujja, the life force which vitalizes each and every pore of our body. And offering water to sun early morning all further enhances the energy level of our body. Standing in sunlight, breathe slowly, calmly. Your eyes absorb energy, cells repair automatically, and your metabolism boosts up. When we offer water to the sun, the rays filtering through the water which is poured to the sun, and the rays are coming to our eyes filtering through that water, it heals our eyes, it heals the suprachiasmatic nucleus, it recharges the forehead chakra and the ajna chakra, and the entire rhythm of your body is reset. It comes in alignment with nature, which naturally helps in boosting your metabolism and healing your body. Though your body already knows how to heal itself, sunlight just switches on that healing switch to reset your health. So, if you agree with me, if you resonate with my idea, practice exposing yourself, bathing yourself in sunlight for 21 days, at least for 10 to 21 days. But tip to be noted, do stand in the sun early morning, because the early morning rays rejuvenate your body, whereas the hard rays, when the sun is at peak, the ultraviolet rays can lead to skin damage, or maybe any other eruptions on your skin. So bathe yourself in the sunlight early morning and recharge your body naturally. Folding your hands to the sun in gratitude, affirm, I am healing my body. I am nourishing each and every cell of my body with the sun prana. The sun prana is revitalizing all the systems of my body. I am full of sunlight. I am full of life. I am healthy and bright. If you resonate with my idea, stay tuned and follow for more conscious health reset tips.